Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through a simplified way to create a textured crop. This is a detailed video and I'll be explaining each step as we go along. Now, I've saved the finished product for last, so please make sure to watch this video all the way through until the end. Also, guys, I want to know how you feel about this video, so please feel free to like and comment, whatever your thoughts are. Now, before we even start, I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel, hit that button on the right-hand corner of your screen so you don't miss any tutorials. Now, without further delay, let us begin. The first thing to do is establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm going to go about a finger's width above the ear and about a finger's width below the occipital bone. I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber, and it's not zero gapped. The next step is to remove the hair from underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using another 22 Stinger, but this one here is zero gapped. The next step is to create baldness with the foil shaver. The foil shaver I'm using for this exercise is the RPG by Caliber. The next step is to remove the bald line. To do this, I extend my clipper's blade all the way out and I create a small workspace like this. Then I close the lever just a bit and make another pass at the section. I continue repeating this each time I pass through the section until the line is erased. For this exercise, I'm using a 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a foreguard and fully extend the blade. Move straight up and out. Close the blade and repeat. Throughout the remainder of this blend, make sure you maintain that same exact angle. For this exercise, I'm using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 3-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Be careful not to touch any of the hair you just got finished blending at the top of the blend. Attach the half guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation and pass through it like this. Now close the lever a notch and repeat. Repeat that step until you erase the line. The next step is to create the corners, the C-cup, and to clean up the neckline. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The next step is to bring out that line up by using a straight razor. I want my client's hair to grow just a bit more, so what I'm going to do here is just add some texture so that the hair appears to be moving even though it's not. And in case anybody's wondering, the scissors I'm using are called the Z2 by Mizutani. For those of you who want to know, the shear I'm using for this exercise is called the KM Slide Royale by Karg. That's K-A-R-G. your textured crop looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. All of my clippers and trimmers have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.